Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about grouped tabs in Google Chrome, what they are, and then how to synchronize them to your other devices. So that way when you're logged in on those devices, you could actually restore these grouped tabs and carry on. And then we're going to show you how to hide them as well so you could just access them later. All right, so group tabs are nothing new, but if you've never seen them before, you might want to give them a shot because it allows you to group various tabs, related tabs or unrelated tabs into a group, and that we could kind of keep track of them easier. So if you have a lot of tabs open across the top, you might find these useful. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need to be signed in to your Google account on all devices you want to sync it with. So for example, if we go to the settings here, and then under You and Google, you can see here that syncing is enabled. And then if you click on this guy here, you can turn it off here too, and then manage what you sync. So the default is to sync everything, but you could customize it. And if you want to just pick specific options here, such as save tab groups. So you're going to have to make sure the sync is enabled on all your devices that you want to sync these to. All right, so we have some various tabs open here for specific types of websites. All right, so let's say we have our Netflix and our Hulu here, and we want to group these. You can click on this icon here to create a new tab group and then give it a name, pick a color, and then put the tabs in there. Or you can just right click on one, add tab to new group. Let's call this streaming, pick a color. Then you can ungroup it, delete it, close it, and so on. So we'll close it. All right, so now we have a closed group, and now you can see we have it here. And if we click on it, it reopens it. All right, so now we could right click on Netflix, for example, add to group, and now you can see we have streaming as an option because we created that group. So if you have other groups, you'll be able to see them in the list too, and then you could pick which one to add it to. All right, so now we have Netflix and Hulu in our streaming group here. And so we could right click on it, close the group, and now it's gone, but you can see it's here. Let's do another one here. Let's say we're going to use this website here. We'll call this our tech group, make it blue. And then let's say we're going to put this PC magazine there as well. And we'll put Reddit too, just for fun. All right. So now what you may have noticed is I click on this, add to new group, it only showed tech, and that's because streaming is closed. So if I open streaming, now I have the option to add to it. So if you want to be able to add to your group, it's going to have to be open, not closed. I'm going to close this group here. So you want to click on the group name to close it, not on the tab itself, because that will just close a tab. So you can remove a tab from a group, add a new tab to the group, pin it, and so on. But if you pick close, it's going to close that tab, not the group. So you want to right click on the group name here, close group. All right, so now we have this one closed. Let's close this one too. All right, so we have our two groups that are closed. They're not up here, and they're shown here in our bookmarks bar. And I believe it's Control Shift B if you don't have your bookmarks bar shown. All right, so now we're going to go over to a different computer that's signed in with the same Google account and see how it looks. All right, so we're signed in with the same account here. So you can see all those other tabs are closed, but you can see here we have our two groups. And if I click on one, it'll open it. And same here. All right, then sometimes too, if you click on here, you could go down to your history and you'll see your other devices that are set to sync, and then you could open up your other tabs here too. I have seen it. I don't know why it's not doing it now because that's just a weird Chrome thing, that you'll have your other groups in here as well that you could access from here. But right now it's not doing it. Can't tell you why, just a weird Chrome thing, but you do have them up here. All right, so now let's say I didn't want Netflix. I could close this tab here. So it took it out of my streaming group, even though I still have my streaming group. So let's close the streaming group, go back over to the other computer. Now let's open the streaming group. And now you can see it just has Hulu, it doesn't have Netflix because I closed it. So if you take some type of action on a group on one computer, it's going to sync that action to the other computer For example, if I were to go to FedEx, for example, let's add this to streaming. All right, now let's go back over to the other computer. Click on streaming. And now you can see we have FedEx in our streaming group because we added it over there. And if I were to right click this, delete the group, you can see it says it's going to delete it from all devices. All right, so now let's go back over to the other computer. And now you can see we don't have that streaming group any longer because I deleted it from the other computer. All right, so quick summary here. So once again, to make a group, you could do it from here, name the group, and then add the tabs separately. Or you could just pick one of your tabs, right click it, add to a new group, or add them to an existing group. But of course, that group's going to have to be created and open to add to that group. You just pick your color, give it a name, and then you can come back here and ungroup it if you want. So when you ungroup it, it'll leave those tabs open. It's not going to close the tabs. It'll just ungroup them and have them all separate. But if you close the group, it'll go back here. If you delete the group, then it's gone on all your devices. And then, of course, you could move it to a different Chrome window if you like. All right, so once again, make sure your account is synced under the settings, and then you in Google, make sure this is turned on. Decide what you want to sync. If you don't want to do everything, you can click on Customize and then just pick the ones from here. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.